So in this final video, I'm going to show you how to create Zoho Marketing Hub smart pop-ups that show conditional text. And so we're going to create one smart pop-up that will be triggered when people reach our implementation goal and they are a micro business owner in the insurance agents industry. We're going to create another pop-up for if the marketing persona, the buyer persona, is a senior marketing person that is also in the insurance industry. So let's go over here to Web Assist, Websites, click on our website, go over to here under Smart Pop-ups, create new pop-up. We're going to create an engagement pop-up. Let's go ahead and design our pop-up here. Let's use this one. And so for this, let's say now this one is going to be for the micro business owner. So we're going to choose save and proceed. And for this one, we're going to actually just send them to our book a consultation form. So when they click register now, which we can change this to save and proceed. And so now we have our pop-up here. Now what we want to do is we want to build this criteria. So we're going to choose select pages. We're going to say all pages. And this is going to be a known visitor. We're going to want to add fields. So we're going to say the known, so industry is insurance and persona is and we're going to choose set activity, and this is where we're going to specify our goals. Specify the goals. Achieved, visited 3 pages. This was our goal. So in this pop-up, this pop-up will get triggered if the known user is in the insurance industry and their persona is micro business owner, and they have achieved this goal. So we're going to choose save, and if you scroll down here, it's going to basically show that to you, and you can see how we customize the text for this particular micro business owner. Let's go in here and just add something about insurance, just so let's see. We'll do save and proceed. So insurance agents and micro businesses. So you can say you can target the text for their information. And I'm just going to do schedule always. And once you click activate, you won't be able to edit it. So make sure that you have what you want. And you're going to go ahead and click activate. And now whenever someone is on your web page and they have completed those 3 goals, when I go to the next web page, this one will be shown, and we have it triggered on entry, and on the next one we create, I'll show you how we can change the trigger. So if we come back here to smart pop-ups, let's create another one for our marketing persona in the insurance agents industry. So if you plan on using words, you might want to pick a template that has a lot of words in here. That way you don't cut off. You're not creating a template that just doesn't allow a bunch of words. So we'll choose this one, and we'll say So you're in marketing. Again, we're just going to add in our book a consultation there. And so for this one, under setup, instead of it triggering as soon as they enter into another page, we're going to say scroll, and whenever they scroll at least, let me say 75% of the page, then have this automatically pop up. So we're going to choose save and proceed, and we're going to scroll down here to pages. We're going to choose all pages. For known users, add the filter here. We're going to choose persona is and again, I have this in my CRM, which is synchronized with my Zoho Marketing Hub, and so we do know this information. Persona and industry is insurance. Set the activity. We only want to show this to our people that achieved our goals. So we're going to do goals achieved, 3 pages, save. And so when somebody with a marketing persona that's in the insurance industry has achieved this goal, the next page they go to, when they scroll down 75%, they're going to get shown this kind of pop up here. And so you can see this part of smart pop-ups in the context of trying to reach out to your leads and contacts is great. In our videos, the videos in this series, we were sending SMS text messages, we were sending emails. We're going to have our sales team follow up with them, and we're also going to hit them with a pop-up. So we're definitely engaging them contextually using this system that we laid out here.